Ahoy, mateys! Captain Minion's at the helm, ready to brave the storm. Wait, not the compass. Quick, get it back. Oh, now it's a seagull chase. Now let's sail the haunted seas with Davy Minions, commanding the crew, or struggling to play a sea shanty on the ghostly organ. Looks like the music's a bit tangled. On the shore, Blackbeard Minion leads the charge with cannons blazing.
I made this entire video with AI, both the script writing and video creation. Right now, videos like this are going viral on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Let me show you a YouTube channel that's smashing it with this exact strategy, making thousands of views and generating millions of dollars on YouTube while using free AI tool for the video creation. You won't believe the potential here, but that's not all. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to replicate this success. I'll share the exact prompts that generated the script for this type of video and introduce free AI tools that do all the heavy lifting for you. And by the end of the video, I will share some tips and bonus strategies on how to go viral in this niche. So stick around till the end. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming videos packed with valuable insights. Now, let's dive deep and unlock the secrets to this type of video creation. You won't want to miss a second. First thing we need to do is to create the images. We have to create our video idea. Copy the prompt provided in the description below and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt and click on Generate. ChatGPT will generate the prompt we will be using for our video. Now our prompt is ready. ChatGPT has generated the prompt for both picture and video animation. The idea is about to transform into a video. In order to transform our idea to video, we are going to be using Photo AI. Head over to your Chrome browser and type Photo AI. Click on the link and you will land in Photo AI website. Photo AI is the AI tool we are going to be using to transform our prompts into images. Click on Sign Up and create an account with your email address. After, follow the steps that pops up. This is the interface. Photo AI is a cutting-edge platform that leverages artificial intelligence for text to image, and video generation. This versatile tool is designed for content creators, marketers, and artists, making it easy to bring creative ideas to life. With the text-to-image feature, users can input descriptive prompts, allowing Photo AI to generate high-quality images that capture those concepts. The image-to-image feature capability lets users enhance existing images or apply various styles and filters, enabling quick transformations and variations. It is super easy to use and the quality of the result is incredible. Now, find the AI image generator feature. Click on it. This is where we create our images. Go back to ChatGPT. Copy the first image prompt you created earlier and paste it into text-to-image box below. Click on the negative prompt section and provide the negative prompts like blur, low quality, and so on. Next, click on aspect ratio. Select a 9:16 aspect ratio that is perfect for our YouTube short. You can also choose how many images you want the AI to generate for you. Scroll down and click on style. For your image to have a classic Disney cinematic look, you need to select the style. The AI tool has many styles to choose from, but for this video, we are going to choose cinematic. This style will give your video a cinematic look. Once you are done with all settings, click on generate, and AI will do the work for you. In just a few seconds, the tool will generate a beautiful Disney-style character image. The quality is amazing. Let's try the second one. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second one, paste it in the prompt box and click generate. Wait for the results. Here is the result. Very fantastic. Follow the same process for the remaining prompt and click on download button to download all the images. Click on the image and you will see the download button at the right hand side. You can remix if you are not cool with any of the images. You can edit if you want to make any changes or improve any of your images. Click on the edit button. This tool has some great features that can improve your image generation to your taste. Let's check them one after the other. Click on AI Upscaler. This tool uses artificial intelligence to increase the resolution of your images without losing quality. Whether you're revamping old photos, enhancing graphics for a project, or just want to make your favorite images pop, an AI Upscaler can do it seamlessly. It analyzes the details and adds new pixels, resulting in stunning, high-resolution visuals. Click on 2 times and tick the box below and click on Apply. This is the result. It enhances the quality and makes the image sharper. Then there is AI Expand feature. Uses smart algorithms to fill in the gaps while maintaining a natural look. With this feature, your creativity knows no bounds. The feature is very useful if you need a wider frame. The one I use most is AI Replacer. This feature allows you to replace specific objects or backgrounds in your image with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking to change a dull background or replace an item for a better fit, AI Replacer does all the heavy lifting. It intelligently analyzes the scene and blends the new elements seamlessly, ensuring a natural look. Click on Brush and select the part of your image and type what you want to add. Click Generate, and the tool will add the item to your image. This is helpful if you forgot to add the item to your prompt during image generation or you want to fill the empty space in the image. The last feature I would like to check is the Magic Eraser. This tool lets you effortlessly remove distractions, blemishes, or anything else that doesn't belong in your images. Just select the area you want to erase and watch as the Magic Eraser works its wonders. Blending the background seamlessly, select the area you want to get rid of. Click on Remove and the tool will clean it up for you. Now, it is time to turn those images to video. The tool we are going to be using is Kling AI. Head over to Chrome browser and type Kling AI. Click on the first link and you will land over to this page. Create an account with your Google account if you are a first-time user and follow the steps that pops up. After click on AI video, you will land in Kling Creative Space like this. First, change the model from Kling 1.6 model to Kling 1.5 model because 1.5 model quality is enough for what we are creating and for the fastest result. Scroll down and click on Image to Video. Upload the image we generated on Photo AI accordingly. After, head over to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt from prompt number 1. Paste the prompt in the prompt section. This will make the AI tool to animate our image according to the prompt. Scroll down. Motion brush unavailable. Click on Setting. Leave the value in default setting because higher level may cause visual error. Click on Mode and choose Standard Mode for fastest processing. Click on 5 seconds in the duration section. Camera movement unavailable. Scroll down to the negative prompt and provide negative phrases we don't want in our video like bad, blur, low quality, and so on. After all the settings, click on Generate. Kling AI will process our image and prompt and generate the video within a few minutes. Let's wait a minute. This is the result. Very amazing. High quality. Click on the download icon to download the video. Let's try the remaining one. Delete the image we used before and upload the second image from the device. Go to ChatGPT and copy the second prompt. Paste the prompt in the box below and click on Generate. Our video will be generated. Repeat the process for the remaining images. Now, we have our video. The next step is to put our video together, add voiceover, sound and music to make the video very interesting. The editing software we will be using is CapCut. Go to CapCut and upload all our videos. Upload the voiceover too. I used 11lab to generate my voiceover. Write a script that matches the video. You can ask ChatGPT to write a voiceover script for your video. Go to 11lab website. Choose the voice that fit the video. Copy and paste the script to generate the voice. After, click on Download. Import the voice to CapCut. Drag all the materials for the video to the timeline. Set 9:16 aspect ratio. Add effect, transitions, sound effect, and music. Preview the video and after click on Export. This is the result.
It's pirate minion Elizabeth Swan ready to fight. Or is it dancing with a treasure chest? Who knew swordplay could be so, waltz-worthy? Minion as Will Turner, hero of the high seas, preparing for a grand duel. Oops, a bit too dramatic, but it's a move no one saw coming. And finally, Blackbeard Minion leads the charge with cannons blazing. Blackbeard, maybe not that direction.
The result is very amazing. You can replicate this and be posting on your channel. At the beginning of the video, I promised to show you some tips and strategies to go viral in this niche. For now, the competition is not much and the niche is in high demand. In order not to run out of ideas with the prompt, I want to show you how you can use the prompt to generate thousands of images for your videos. Now we are going to be using Leonardo AI. Head over to your Chrome browser. Type Leonardo AI. Click on the first link that pops up. You will land on their website. This is the interface. Create an account and you will see something like this. Click on Image Generation. Provide the prompt in the prompt section. Scroll down and click on Image Dimensions. Then click on More to choose Mobile 9:16 aspect ratio. Leave the number of image to 4. Click on Advanced Setting to add your negative prompt. After, click on Generate. Wait for a few seconds and the image will be generated. This is the result. Very cool. Let's check them out. With these images, we have 4 videos to make. Continue to change the prompt settings, background. You can also twist the characters. By doing this, you will never run out of ideas. Remember, consistency is the key. Keep making videos and posting on your channel.